Hi everyone. So today we're going to learn about hyperlink. Okay, so what are hyperlinks? Okay, hyperlinks are basically URL or rather links or buttons that would can lead to another place. So for example, if I have a set of data here, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right. Let's say I want to be linked to this one. Okay, so I could do is I could uh, right click link. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see that. Maybe I should go to insert. Okay, you can go to insert link also. All right, when you click that one, okay, there will be a pop-up folder over there. So there are a few options here. Okay, you just need to select the the one that you want. So you could select and as it's it could lead to an existing file or a web page that you want to. All you need to do is just find the file or put in the website the URL link. Okay, alternatively you could also link to a place in this document. So I could link it to the some of the defined names or a specific cell reference. All right. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.